Good morning, 10th class. We have started here and we have discussed different parts of ear. Okay, now we will start the process of hearing, how ear involved in hearing. We have discussed ear's different part. As you know, first part is the external ear. So the first part of the ear, that is pinna, it receives the sound waves. Okay, and then this directed into auditory canal, and then it moves into the next part, which is tympanum or eardrum. So when this receive sound waves, it vibrate. Okay, there is vibration in tympanum, and then this vibration pass to the next part of the ear, that is middle part, which consists of different bones like malleus. So this vibration then moves to the next part of the ear, which is consists of different bones, like this vibration moves into the malleus and then incus and then stapes and then to the oval window. Okay, so vibration moves to the middle window, middle ear, and then this vibration, when this strike the oval window and then reach to the fluid present in the cochlea. So and inside the cochlea there is sound receptors are present, and and there is also fluid is present here in the cochlea. So the fluid of the cochlea is moved and receptor cells are stimulated inside the cochlea, and the receptors then these cells generate a nerve impulse which travel to the brain. Okay, this here nerve is generated and it's travel to the brain, and then it is interpreted as a sound. So that's how hearing process of ear. Okay, the pinna of the external ear focus and direct sounds into auditory canal. Okay, the sound waves then moves into the different parts of the external ear and produce vibration in tympanum, and then it's strike to the middle ear and then into the fluid filled middle duct of the cochlea, and then cochlea. In cochlea there is receptors of sounds and which are stimulated, and then this receptors shall generate a nerve impulse and they travel to the brain and is interpreted as a sound. So this is the process of hearing. Okay, this is the first basic function of ear, and other functions of ear is that ears maintain the balance of the body. Okay, now how it maintain the balance of the body? As you know, ears have semicircular canal and vestibule, which is the part of the inner ear. These parts basically involve in the maintaining the balance of the body. Okay, basically semicircular contain the sensory nerves, okay, which can detect any movement in the head. Okay, and similarly vestibule, they can detect any change in the posture of the body. The neurons coming from these two receptors reach to the cerebellum, which is the part of the brain, and through the auditory nerves. Okay, so this semicircular canal and vestibule, they help to maintain the balance of the body, and they also detect any change in the posture of the body. Okay, this diagram basically shows that their nerves, they are from vestibule, and there is also nerves from semicircular canals. So these reach to the brain, and then it maintains the balance and posture of the body. Okay, this is basic the function of ear. And now there is some information is given, like soundless word, in which the deafness, about deafness there is some information. Deafness is a state in which hearing is not possible. When you not hear around you, then it is a state of deafness. and there may be defects of cochlea, middle ear, ossicles or auditory nerve. If there is defect in this part, then it causes the deafness. And infection in eustachian tube, and they may spread into the middle ear too, and that also result in deafness. Or eardrum may be damaged by this infection in auditory canal. So these all are the if there is defect in all these parts of ear, that result in deafness. Okay, other causes of deafness are like excessive noise. There is more noise around you, strong blows on cheeks, pointed object-centric auditory canals. If you put any pointed object in your ear, so that also result in deafness. Or insects may also, if they enter into ear, they are all result in deafness. It's ear basically very sensitive part. ओके आपने एयर्स को बिल्कुल टच नहीं करना होता, इसके अंदर कोई चीज़ आपने डालने से अवॉइड करना होता है. सो इट्स वेरी सेंसिटिव पार्ट. यू डू नॉट पुट एनी पॉइंटेड ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ यू डू दिस, so that may be result in deafness. Okay, so this is another information regarding ear. Another information is about thunderstorm. Okay, thunderstorm is basically characterized by lightning and thunder. Thunderstorm में क्या होता है, lightning and thunder होता है. Now how this lightning this lightning basically is due to electric charges, which is due to the movement of water droplet or crystals carried by the wind. Okay, when there is lightning, then what happens, there is a sudden increase in pressure and temperature from lightning, and that produce a rapid expansion of the air, and this expansion of air produces a sound of thunder. So that's how sound of thunderstorm. When there is thunder, there is also sound. So that sound is due to this process. So the flash of the lightning is followed after some sounds of by roar. Okay, सबसे पहले आपको लाइट नज़र आ रही होती है, बाद में you can listen the thunder, फिर बाद में आवाज़ आ रही होती है. Because light is the fastest thing in the universe. सबसे पहले लाइट आपको ट्रैवल करके आएगी, और फिर you can see the lightning, and then you will hear the sound. So the time difference is due to the fact that sound travel slower than the light. So that's how thunderstorm is in thunderstorm, lightning and thunder is formed. So this is some information regarding ear. So this is the end of ear. Okay, learn this topic very carefully. अच्छे से इसको learn करें, इसकी डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करें, और पॉइंट्स बना लें इसके बीच में से डिफरेंट. मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था कि बहुत बीच बीच में से पूछ लेते हैं, तो यू मस्ट रीड थॉरली और इसको अच्छे से लर्न करें. और अब वेकेशंस आ जाएंगी, आपकी हॉलीडेज़ आ जाएंगी ईद की, तो उसमें आप अच्छे से अपना पिछला वाला भी लर्न करें. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ एंड हैप्पी ईद मुबारक इन एडवांस.